Do you know how China builds cross-sea bridges? This is the massive cross-sea bridge called Meizhuan Bridge that's currently under construction. It spans a total of 14.7 kilometers, with 10 kilometers of it being over the sea. So, given that the sea is full of water, how does one go about building a cross-sea bridge? First up, pillars must be built in the sea, and then comes the bridge construction, and the trickiest part is putting up the bridge. The Meizhuan Bridge uses 40-meter-long beams that weigh an astounding 1,000 tons, which is 100 tons more than the traditional 32-meter beams. Not only does this improve waterway traffic, but it also reduces the impact of sea waves on the bridge pillars. But how do you transport such heavy beams using standard bridge construction equipment? It's like asking for trouble. And so China brought in the big guns, a large-scale construction machinery called Kunlun, which was independently developed, designed, and manufactured in China. It's the world's first 1,000-ton bridge construction machine, mainly used for bridge construction. Kunlun has 32 wheels at the front and the back to pick up and transport the heavy beams, transport the prepared concrete bridge decks over, and install them onto the bridge pillars, as easy as pie. Just like stacking blocks together. One trip with this machine, and voila, a bridge is up. Thanks to Kunlun, bridge construction speed has increased by 25%, and costs have been cut by 20%. Kunlun isn't just good at putting up bridges over the sea, it can handle all kinds of challenging terrains. When traditional bridge construction machines encounter tunnels, if they recklessly keep going, they may crash into the tunnel, so they'd have to be disassembled and transported over for assembly, which would be a time-consuming and strenuous process. However, Kunlun comes equipped with a laser matrix sensor system, which allows it to auto-navigate through tunnels, making automatic corrections during the drive to prevent swerving off the course, thus avoiding crashing into the tunnel and ensuring